Keeping your files in the cloud means they are safe and available anywhere. In this video, we will explain how to set up cloud storage on Windows. Cloud storage saves your files on secure online servers, so they sync across your devices and survive even if your computer fails. Windows comes with OneDrive built in, making it a natural starting point. To set it up, search for OneDrive, sign in with your Microsoft account, and choose which folders to sync. Files placed in your OneDrive folder upload automatically and become available on your phone, tablet, and other PCs. You can right-click files to keep them always on your device or free up space by storing them only online. Of course, other services work well on Windows too. You simply download their app, sign in, and a synced folder appears in File Explorer. Choose a service based on the storage you need and the price. The real power of cloud storage is peace of mind, because your important documents and photos are backed up automatically. Set it up once, and your files stay protected and accessible from anywhere you go.